all in the name of ethnic unity. In 2020, this committee did historic bipartisan work by passing the Tibetan Policy and Support Act, establishing a powerful framework to defend the religious freedom of the Tibetan people. But as the CCP's tactics evolved, our statutory language must keep pace with that. The Dalai Lama has already laid out how his successor is to be recognized after he is gone, placing that authority within his own office and the senior leaders of his faith. My amendment affirms that this is the process that U.S. policy recognizes, and the CCP has no role in that. This is not only a matter of faith, Mr. Chairman, it's a matter of national security. If we sit on our hands, Beijing will name a counterfeit Dalai Lama, a spiritual figurehead loyal not to the Tibetan people, but rather to the Communist Party. And it will use him as an instrument of influence across the entire Himalayan region in Nepal, Mongolia, and right along the border of our partner, India. We cannot let the CCP weaponize a centuries-old institution of peace to extend its own control. When I visited the Dalai Lama, again, he told me, I will not be reborn in China, I will be reborn in freedom. We must honor that wish by ensuring this decision rests with him and his people, not with a government that has spent decades trying to erase them and to erase him. Protecting Tibet has always been a bipartisan cause in this committee, and our law should say so just as clearly. And so with that, Mr. Chairman, I urge my colleagues to support the amendment, and I yield back.